Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a physics class for class 9 students. My dear students, our today's topic, chapter 2, reading done from page number 44 to 45 and lecture number 8, SW number 7. My dear students, let's start our class. Chapter 2, motion, and we will discuss now. I will discuss from this chapter 4 equations of motion. Okay, today I will prove these 4 equations, and here I already given these 4 equations of motion. This is number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now I will solve these 4 equations of motion again. Okay, my dear students, see 4 equations of motion of this chapter. Number 1 is V equals to U plus AT. Number 2, S equals to V plus U divided by 2 into T. Number 3 equation is S equal to UT plus half AT square, and number 4 is V square equals to U square plus 2AS. My dear students, you have to memorize properly these 4 equations of motion, and now we will prove these 4 equations of motion, these 4 equations of motion. Okay, proof number at first we will prove number 1 equations of motion, number V equals to U plus AT. Okay, here if anything, if the initial velocity of an object is u and after time t the velocity becomes v, then the acceleration will be, my dear students, see, suppose here is an object and here is this is the object, and initial velocity is u and final velocity is v. Okay, and the distance is d, that means d or s, and time is t. Okay, time is t. Okay, the initial velocity u and final velocity v, and after t time time is t, and after t time the final velocity will be v. That means we will get here is a is acceleration. Okay, a is acceleration, and we get a equals to v minus u divided by t. My dear students, I am repeating, if the initial velocity of an object is u and after time t the velocity becomes v, then the acceleration a will be a equals v minus u divided by t. Now we can write this v minus u equals at, that means v equals u plus at. This is equation number 1. And if the object starts its motion from rest, okay, if the object starts its motion from rest, that means initial velocity is 0, then what will be? If u is 0, then we can write v equals 0 plus at. That means v equals at, and we know here a is constant. Okay, and if we withdraw the constant, then we can write a proportional sign. So b proportional t. Okay, we can write b proportional t. Therefore velocity is proportional to time. Okay, velocity is proportional to time. Okay, my dear students, I have proved this first equation. Okay, v equals u plus at. Now I prove second equations of motion. This is s equals to v plus u divided by 2 into t. Number 2, if anything increases uniformly, that means same. If anything increases uniformly, then the arithmetic mean of the initial and final values represents its average value. Okay, that means the average velocity will be average velocity v bar. This is bar. This sign name is bar. Okay, average. This is average velocity v bar equals to v plus u divided by 2. My dear students, average velocity v bar means the initial velocity and the final the addition of initial velocity and final velocity divided by 2. Okay, this is average velocity. That means average velocity v bar equals to v plus u divided by 2. This is equation number 1, and again we know v bar equals to s divided by t. This is equation number 2. My dear students, now from this equation, from equation number 1 and 2, we can write s divided by t equals to b plus u divided by 2, and from this one we can write like this. We can do cross multiplication. Okay, s into 2 equals to b plus u into t. And from this line we can write s equals to b plus u divided by 2 into t. This is our second equation. Okay, s equals to b plus u divided by 2 into t. Okay, now we will prove equation number 3. Now we will prove equation number 3. Okay, s equal to our third equation is s equal to ut plus half a t square. My dear students, we know average velocity from this like this. Average velocity v bar equals to s divided by t. This is, you can write this equation number 1. Okay, average velocity v bar equals to s divided by t. This is equation number 1, and again we know average velocity v bar equals to b plus u divided by 2. Okay, and from equation number 1 we can write also s equals to, by cross multiplication we can write s equals to v bar t. Okay, this one is average velocity, not final velocity. Okay, this one is average velocity. V bar means average velocity. Okay, s equals to, now the value of v bar we can put this value here. Okay, that means v bar equals to b plus u divided by 2 into t. And we can write also the value of v is, we know the value of v is v equals to u plus at. We can put this value. Okay, u plus at plus u divided by 2 into t. Okay, we can write u plus u means 2u plus at divided by 2 into t, and we can write 2u divided by 2 by separating this one into t plus at divided by 2 into t. Okay, now s equals, we can write like this, u into t, that means ut plus a t into t, that means a t square divided by 2. Okay, my dear students, this is our third equation, s equal to ut plus half a t square. We can write like this here, ut plus half. Okay, half a t square. We can write like this. This is our third equation, s equal to ut plus half a t square. This is third equation. Okay, my dear students, now I will prove equation number 4. Equation number 4. What is equation number 4? V square equals to u square plus 2as. My dear students, we know from second equation we know s equals to b plus u divided by 2 into t. Okay, s equals to b plus u divided by 2 into t. We can write like this one, s equals to, from second equation we can write b plus u divided by 2 into t. This is equation number 1. And again we know v equals to, from first equation we know my dear students, I am repeating to prove the fourth equation we can write with the help of equation number 1 and 2. Okay, s equals to v plus u divided by 2 into t, and we know also v equals to u plus at. Okay, v equals to u plus at. Now we can write u plus at equals v. Here at equals v minus u. Okay, by side change we can write at equals to v minus u, and now we have to find out the value of t. Then we can write v minus u divided by, here a is into, here multiplication, here it will be division, that means divided by a. Okay, this is equation number 2. We can write this one, equation number 2. And if we put this value on equation number 1, then we get s equals to v plus u divided by 2 into t. The value of t is v minus u divided by a. Okay, v minus u divided by a. Then we can write v plus u into v minus u, that means v square minus u square divided by 2a. Here a square minus, we know a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. By this formula we can write v square minus u square. Okay, s equals to, now we will write by cross multiplication we can do 2as v square equals to v square minus u square equals to 2as. Okay, now we can write v square equals to u square plus 2as. Okay, my dear students, this is our fourth equation. Okay, this is our fourth equation, and if the object starts its position motion to rest, then we can write u equals to 0, that means initial velocity will be 0, and then we can write v square equals to 0 plus 2as, then v square equals to 2as, and this 2a is constant, so we can write v square proportional s, and here v proportional root over s. Okay, my dear students, today your SW number is 7, and your SW topic is this fourth equation of motion. Okay, prove the equation of motion. These 4 equation of motion. Do your SW and submit it on Saturday. My dear students, hope you have understood our today's topic. Keep practicing at home and memorize properly at home, and do your SW properly and submit regularly. Okay, my dear students, see you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.